Looking for the best thermal paste, CPU, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best thermal paste, CPU, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Arctic MX4 is a consistent performer that delivers excellent thermal conductivity and long-lasting durability. Its carbon microparticle formula ensures that heat is dissipated quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. Plus, it's metal-free and non-electrical conductive, ensuring safe application and protection for your components. If you're looking for a reliable thermal paste that won't disappoint, Arctic MX4 is a great option. Number 4. Arctic MX4 is a premium thermal paste that's well proven in its performance. Its carbon microparticle formula guarantees extremely high thermal conductivity, making it perfect for dissipating heat from the CPU and GPU. Plus, it's metal-free and non-electrical conductive, ensuring safe application and protection for your components. If you're looking for a reliable thermal paste that's easy to apply and won't let you down, Arctic MX4 is a great choice. Number 3. Arctic MX7 is a powerhouse of a thermal paste that delivers next-level performance. Its dense, highly viscous consistency ensures exceptional heat transfer, and its long-term stability prevents pump-out, dry-out, or bleeding even under repeated thermal cycles. This makes it perfect for serious overclockers and those who need a thermal paste that can keep up with their system's demands. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line thermal paste, Arctic MX7 is the way to go. Number 2. The thermal paste with Toolkit CPU paste is a great option for those who want a high-performance thermal paste without breaking the bank. Its carbon-based formula guarantees extremely high thermal conductivity, making it perfect for dissipating heat from the CPU and GPU. Plus, it's metal-free and non-conductive, ensuring safe application and protection for your components. If you're looking for a reliable thermal paste that won't disappoint, this is a great choice. Number 1. Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut is a top-notch thermal paste that stands out with its extreme heat conductivity. This makes it perfect for overclocking enthusiasts and those running demanding applications like gaming or video editing. With its easy application and long-lasting effect, Kryonaut is a reliable choice for anyone who needs top-notch thermal management. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-performance thermal paste. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.